Do you want to create a paradise for hummingbirds in your garden? Imagine these tiny marvels buzzing around, sipping from the vibrant plants that you've carefully chosen. We're about to explore a variety of these plants. Stay tuned to discover the best plants to attract a flurry of hummingbirds to your garden. First on our list is bee balm, a hummingbird's delight. This perennial plant sports vibrant colors and nectar-rich flowers that are irresistible to these tiny birds. Its captivating scent and striking hues make it a standout. With bee balm, your garden will become a hummingbird haven in no time. Next up is salvia, a plant that hummingbirds cannot resist. This radiant plant boasts benefits aplenty, with a long blooming season that provides sustenance for our winged friends. Its tubular flowers are tailor-made for hummingbirds. Plant salvia and watch as hummingbirds make a beeline for your garden. Last but not least, consider adding trumpet vine to your hummingbird paradise. This vine's allure lies in its trumpet-shaped flowers and ability to climb and spread, offering an abundance of feeding spots. With trumpet vine, your garden will be filled with the delightful sight and sound of hummingbirds. These plants are not just beautiful additions to your garden, but also a feast for hummingbirds. Crafting a hummingbird-friendly garden enriches our environment and delights our feathery friends. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden tips and tricks. Create a paradise for hummingbirds in your garden today.